Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So on this video, we will explain you exactly what is Prime and how you can start to transform your future through financial education, investment, and luxurious lifestyle. So let's go. First, you can say thank you for the person that just sent you this video because you literally have an opportunity in your hand that can change your life and help to improve your lifestyle. So before to start, I will just introduce myself. My name is Remy Oda. I'm 28 years old. I started this industry 9 years ago and my life was totally different. I was working in a factory making like 700 a week, a month, and literally I had no option. I had no vision to be financially free on this way. And in 2015, I was in high level sports in bicycle motocross. And after a big injury, I really had to find a way to make more money. So 2015, a young guy introduced me to network marketing. So I studied straight because I really had the vision to create something different and help people around me to do the exactly same things. And when I started, that was amazing. I developed all the skills, and in less than 2 years, I was able to make my first $10,000 a month. That literally changed my life. My life after 3 years, I made my first $1 million in this industry. But the most important is not about me, it's about you and how I can help you to create more income and change your life with this business. So what is Prime? For sure, we have some disclaimer. We're not here to say that you're gonna make 10 millions in the next few years, but just say that with all the product that we just deliver, you will be able to create more income, have more lifestyle, and for sure, have a better life with all your family. So Prime is an ecosystem, a fintech ecosystem where all person can create a wealth creation for financial market, cryptocurrencies, and lifestyle opportunities. So we're gonna talk today about personal growth and leadership, financial markets and investment, lifestyle and VIP experience, and financial freedom and career plan. So we have an entire ecosystem where the goal is help you to develop more skills, apply those skills on the marketplace, and get paid in return. So what is skills? Skills in an online educational platform designed to enhance lifestyle through online learning. So you have Forex, cryptocurrency, closing, real estate, e-commerce, AI, leadership, network marketing. On all these academy, we're gonna give you all the skills to make sure that you can make more income and you can really enjoy a better life. So all those videos are fully translated French, English, Norwegian, Spanish, Portuguese, and you can on your own term with your own timing decide when you want to connect. There's no pressure, there's no limitation. Every single day you can check everything and start to develop skills from our team of experts. What is quantum trade? Quantum trade represents the next generation of trading solution. This is fully automated and seamlessly integrated with our brokerage account. It offers a hands-free approach while ensuring complete transparency, and you have three types of risk and return strategies. You have conservative that you can earn 2-3% a month, the moderate months you can earn 7-8% per month, and aggressive month where you can earn about 12% per month. And you can deposit the same day, you can withdraw the same day. There's no money lock, whatever. The only thing you have to do is just to be connected, connect your capital from $300 to a limited amount and start to make money with us. What is Prospera? The excellence of trading powered by AI. This is a scanner that provides accurate market analysis and trading signals with an exceptional success rate of 90%. You can trade smarter, faster, and with complete confidence using Prospera. What is Swift? This is a premium service where every single day our team of traders will give you the best trades on the market on Bitcoin, Euro USD. It can be gold. And the only thing you have to do every time we say, hey, it's time to buy, it's time to sell, we're going to give you every time the stop loss, the take profit, the risk rewards, the money management to secure your trade and to make sure you can grow your capital and start to make money with it. The next one, it's about Coachify. Every day you're going to have a direct access to instant connection with the top tier coaches. You have daily live session, interactive and enriching coaching experience, and you will be connected with the best professionals in the industry. What is Coin Elite? Coin Elite is a selection of the best crypto on the market. You will not trade every single day. You buy crypto on spot. You rate 3 months, 6 months, 1 year maximum. And on the last 5 years, we earn over 14,500% in returns cumulated on all the trades, on all the crypto that you just invest on a real time, and you have every time clear entry and exit points for each cryptocurrency. So that's really easy because most of the people, they want to invest on those markets. It's super volatile. There's a lot of profits that you can earn, but if you don't have the right information, it can be really difficult to make money and start to earn with the crypto market. So now you have the possibility to copy all the wallet of all those whales, the person that have millions, so they have thousands of BTC, and you can apply the exactly same strategy. So what is Prime Travel? You have the possibility right now to save up to 80% on hotels, on flights, on car rentals, cruises, and activities. You have a wide range of destinations and travel all around the world. And this is an intuitive platform accessible to everyone. Let's give an example. If you want to go for 2 days in Las Vegas to the Link Hotel experience, you have right now a public price of 283 euros. You have a saving of 105 euros. And as you can see, you have a 61% off discount just on Prime Travel from your phone. You can book and start to travel with a better price just with this platform. The next one, and the concept of Prime, it's about health, wealth, and travel. We want to make sure that you can be on the perfect health on the long term. So we just start to launch all the health product with Nativa. It's a CBD and hemp oil product where you can have nourishing hand cream, repairing foot cream, pain relief for all the person that have relief or say pain on the muscle. You have also hydrating serum, you have CBD oil 10%, you have anti-aging day cream, everything to make sure that you can be on the best health ever and help people to be exactly the same around you. So what is the difference of ICs? You have the e-learning platform, you have Quantum Trade, AI to make money fully automatic. You have also Swift that every single day you can copy all the trades that our trader is gonna send you. You have Coachify where we have live session coaching plus replay. You have personalized coaching and follow-up. You have also Coin Elite with the best crypto on the market. You have Prime Travel to explore more, spend less, and have better discount. And you have Prospera that you can have a way better experience with the scanner that will analyze the market for you. So how to get started on the business, how to become a member of the Prime Academy. So the first package to start is a 99 euros package where you can have skills, the Academy platform, you can have Swift every single day, you can copy paste all the trades, or you can decide to go fully automatic with Quantum Trade, and every time you will sign up someone that wants to start money with us, you're gonna earn 10% direct sales bonus just because you start with the Prime package. So it's 99 euros, and every time you have a BV, business volume, that means every time you sign up people, you can have business volume that you will get paid on this to achieve ranks. So nowadays a promotion, just this package create 90 BV instead of 65 for a short period of time. What is a prestige pack? Bronze, 199 euros. You have skills, beginner, you have Swift, the signers on the gold, you have Coachify, beginner level, you have Quantum Trade, and you also have the access of Funder Pro. That means you can get funded from 5,000 up to 200,000 euros. That means you can trade with way more capital. And for sure, we're gonna train you on how to validate all the tests, the challenge to start to trade with more capital and start to print more money. The silver pack, 499 euros. You can earn up to 12.5% direct sales. You have skill, medium level. You have also Swift Gold, Coachify, intermediate, medium level. We also implement Prime Travel to have discount on flights, travel, etc. And you also have Coin Elite, where you can 2x, 3x your capital just by duplicating all the trades, all the spot crypto that we're gonna give you every single day. The gold pack, 999. You can up to 15% direct sales, and you can get access also to Prime Travel and also to the scanner Prospera on this one. And you have the mid-cap crypto. What is the premium? 2,500 euros package. You also have the potential 20x and crypto, real world asset, memcoin, AI gaming, and you also have personalized follow-up just with this pack. Master and Elite, how it works. The Master pack, you have a potential 50x, and the Elite pack, you have a potential 100x on your investment just by copying the best crypto on the market and duplicating everything on your own wallet where you can withdraw every single day. Prime Travel, you can buy outside as an add-on pack, 25 euros. Prospera, same, 25 euros a month, and you get access to the full product. You can also all those packages that have a renewal per month of 99 euros. That is pretty accessible. And if you buy 1 year in advance, you can have for sure 2 months for free. You can also decide to have a founder pack. That means you have also vices included on the elite pack. So elite pack is included inside. You have a dynamic interest based on the trading performance. You have also company units, special founder event, and you can have also supercar event every single year. So you have the $50,000 pack, you have the 25,000 euros package, and the more you invest, the more return you can have based on the growth of the company and the dynamic interest based on the trading performance. So how to become a Prime Academy member. For 49 euros a year, you can join our referral program. Let me give you an example. If you want to go tomorrow to a really good restaurant and invite 5, 10, 20 people of your friend, do you think the restaurant will give you 1,000 or 500 euros discount? Never. Can you imagine if tomorrow you go to the movie center and you see the last movie that is on the trend and you have a lot of people around you just on social media, they decide to go there and they come because you just promote this movie? Do you think you will get paid? Never. So can you imagine today, every time you sign up new people in your team, you can get paid. And this is the power of duplication. You will never get paid on 100% of your own effort, but you will get paid on the 1% on the effort of 100 people. And that's what makes a big difference. And that's what we call the compound effect. So how to start with the career development plan. So this is a binary business. That means you enroll your best friend on the left, your brother on the right. You have two people in your team, 150 euros in sales on the left, and same on the right. You have two personal clients. You achieve the rank of manager. That means you earn $100 a month, 100 euros a month, and it's 25 euros weekly. The director ranked 1,000, it's 500 euros a month and 125 euros weekly. Senior director, 2,000, it's 900 euros a month, 225 weekly. Executive director, etc. I think you understand. Regional director, 5 euros a month, 5,000 euros a month. National director, 9,000 a month. Senior vice president, 100,000 euros a month. And the more you grow, the more you hire people, the more you develop skills to build teams, and the more you will get paid in returns. You also have what we call the uni-level bonus. How it works: let's say you enroll me and I become an international director. I'm making right now 15,000 a month. Just because you enroll me, you will be able to get paid 10% of my paycheck. That means you can have 1,500 euros that will get paid straight to your e-wallet. Area director, 3,000 a month. Let's say you enroll your brother. He's making right now 3,000 a month. You're gonna earn 10%. That means you will earn 300 euros just because you show him the way and how to make money with this business. How works also the generation bonus? Let's say you are national director. You are right now superstar of this company. You earn already 9,000 euros a month. Every time you will enroll someone that also become a national director, you will earn 5% of the first generation. You're gonna earn 3% on the second generation. You're gonna earn 3% on the third generation and 2% on the fourth generation. So this is not the most important because it would take more time to achieve those ranks, but easily there's people right now in the company in less than 90 days, less than 3 months, they're able to make 6-figure a year and 9,000 a month really easy just by being connecting on the system, show up on every Zoom presentation, and develop their leadership skills based on what we offer on the market. The last way to get paid is what we call the rank advancement bonus. So area director, 3,000 a month. You have a mystery box that is paid by the company. Regional director, 5,000 euros a month. You have 5 days all-inclusive trip to Cancun in Mexico. National director, 9,000 a month. You have a custom suit or tailored suit paid by the company. International director, 15,000 a month. You have a luxury stay, 5 days in Bali. Area vice president, 30,000 a month. You have a Rolex Datejust president. Regional vice president, 50,000 a month. you have 40,000 euros paid in BTC, national vice president, 75,000 a month, you have a luxury car leasing, senior vice president, 100,000 a month, you have $80,000 in gold that is paid by our private partner, and the company will help you to achieve those ranks and have those income. So why you have to start now? Because in the next few months, we're gonna have thousands of people join your team. So my question is, do you want to have those people joining your team, or do you want to be part of their business? So now timing is everything. You can be the best commercial, the best seller in the world. If you have zero timing, you will never print money. And on the other side, you're gonna be in the worst in this business. If you have the right environment at the right time, with the right person, trust me, you can have something really special for yourself and achieve financial freedom joy just by promoting the business. You have zero product to create, you have no fees to create a company. The only thing we have to do is promote a business and help you to achieve ranks and go to the next level. So how to join Prime? Step number one, contact the person who invites you to see this video. Step number two, get a pack to access all those devices. And step number three, invite friends to generate income. That's really easy. You can also scan the code on the right and you can access to the Telegram group where every single day all the official announcement by the company will be just text on this group. So 3 steps. Step number one, you want to be a customer. I advise you right now to reach back the person that sent you this video, and we're gonna show you how to use the product and how to start to make money with. Step number two, let's say you have question right now and you want to learn more. Let's be in contact with the person that sent you this video, and we will organize what we call a three-way call with an expert of the company, and we're gonna give you all the information needed for you to help you to take the best decision. And step number three, if you are all in and you want to start this business right now and start to print money, let's go. We're gonna show you how to do it, and just with 1 hour a day, trust me, you can create massive income just by being connected to the right person and being consistent and all the action to promote the business. So thank you so much to be connected on this video. See you next time, and I say you in advance, welcome to the team. See you.